You're out hunting, and you trip and fall, your shotgun barrel goes into the mud. What would happen if you fired it without cleaning it first? Let's find out. I have some mud here, about an inch. Let's measure it. You can see it's about an inch deep. Let's put it in the barrel. Let's try 2 inches. Okay, there's certainly 2 inches right there of mud. Okay, let's see what's going to happen now. Wow! 2 inches of mud and no deformed barrel. It's not even bulged. I am impressed. These Remington barrels are really good, but again, I would not try this out in the field. It could be very dangerous.